On today's video, we are going to be learning how to make this inside donkey pockets. If that's something you're interested in, come with me and let's get started. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Hey y'all, so you remember the 1 or 2 inches that we went down by from the band area? We're going to go ahead and place our pocket on there, and then from the top part of the pocket we're going to go down by 2 centimeters. So you just turn to the back of your tape and you'll see what I'm talking about. And then from the 2 centimeters you're going to go down and mark 13 centimeters, that's cm, and all you're going to do is just go in by half an inch. I'm just going to use my ruler here to make sure that everything is straight, and then I'll show you what to do next. After we do that, we're going to go ahead and sew on the line just like my hand gesture projects, and then when we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and notch this, basically notching at the edge, both edges, right? And you want to be careful not to cut what you've already sewn because that can destroy your work. So after we do that, we're going to go ahead and push our pocket inwards. And this is what yours should look like. So you want to pick out from the bottom and the top part to look like this, just like a triangle, and this is what it should look like from the back. After we've done this, we're going to go ahead and sew all the way, just like my hand gesture projects again. So you sew, and then after we do that, this pocket is supposed to be cut into 4, so 2 for each side. So you have the right side and the wrong side, the right side and the wrong side. So after we're done sewing that, we're going to go ahead and look for the one that fits. So right sides facing each other like this. We're going to put it at the edge of the pocket, and we're just trying to make sure that it fits, and we're going to go ahead and sew. You'll notice that the lower part is not attached to the shorts or trousers or whatever you're making. So you go ahead and sew from the bottom part like this. I'm using my chalk here so you can see properly what I'm trying to say, and then you just sew around. You can sew around by half an inch, that way you can weave what you have done later. Here I'm just showing you how to like sew it. I'm sorry if this appears really poor. This is my first time filming like this. I'm using both my hands, so I'm not using like one hand to hold the camera and the other hand to hold, like I'm actually doing this with both my hands. So I'm sorry if this comes out poorly, but yeah, I'll do better next time. I'm just trying to show you how to go about like sewing this so we don't make any kind of mistakes whatsoever. After we do this and all that is done, the pocket is ready and good to go. So this is just me showing you like the test run with my hand going through, and this is what it looks like on the inside. The reason why it's called a donkey pocket is because of the way it's shaped, like donkey's ear when it's down. Yeah, that's it for the pocket. I hope you found this really helpful. I hope yours turns out as beautiful as mine did. I hope you enjoyed the process of making yours as much as I enjoyed the process of making mine, and I hope you have learned something new and you put that into practice. Now please do not forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to love yourself because I love you. Have a beautiful day or night, whichever it is you look for. Bye.